buddy. You okay? I think this one might be laying some eggs. I'm not sure what's going on. I hope it's not injured. Maybe just laying eggs? Can't tell. I think digging a hole, getting ready for eggs, maybe? I don't know. They came down our... I hope this little guy wasn't in the way. Not so little. He's kind of big. Or she. Or they. Doesn't look injured. I think it's just digging a hole. Getting ready for eggs, maybe? This isn't the greatest place to lay eggs, but this is what happens when we keep encroaching on their habitat. Alright, good luck, Mama, if that's what you're doing.